Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to step onto a shimmering cosmic highway, with a massive gas giant looming above you and billions of icy fragments stretching as far as the eye can see? Imagine the unimaginable. Walking on Saturn's rings. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that by understanding the secrets of Saturn, we can actually imagine stepping into this frozen, glittering wonderland? Today, we were going to explore exactly that, what it would really be like to walk on Saturn's rings, and why this thought experiment pushes the limits of our understanding of the universe. Saturn's rings are not the solid platforms we often picture in movies. They are made of billions of ice and rock particles, from tiny grains to massive boulders, larger than mountains. These fragments orbit Saturn at incredible speeds, some traveling up to 20 kilometers per second. The rings themselves are astonishingly thin compared to their vast width. They stretch for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, yet some sections are just 10 meters thick. Picture trying to take a single step on such a fragile, high-speed platform. Every move would be a dance, with forces far beyond anything we experience on Earth. The very idea sparks a mix of awe and fear, a feeling that you are walking at the edge of reality itself. Now, imagine the invisible forces at play. Saturn is 95 times more massive than Earth, yet it has no solid surface. Its rings exist because of a delicate balance between gravity and centrifugal force. Step on a particle and you wouldn't just fall, you could be flung into space, spinning uncontrollably, or crash towards Saturn's crushing, stormy upper atmosphere. Walking on the rings would feel less like strolling and more like floating on a trampoline made of ice, shards moving at thousands of kilometers per hour. The challenge alone makes the human imagination soar. How could we ever survive, let alone explore? Then there's the freezing temperature. Saturn is nearly 10 times farther from the sun than Earth, and its rings hover around minus 175 degrees Celsius. Any unprotected human would freeze in moments. Yet these same icy particles reflect sunlight brilliantly, creating a spectacle that is almost hypnotic, a glittering field of cosmic diamonds under the shadow of a colossal, swirling planet. Even imagining this scene sends shivers down the spine, its beauty and danger intertwined in a way that no earthbound landscape could ever match, and sound, or rather, the eerie absence of it. The otherworldliness, there is no atmosphere, no rustle of wind, no echoing footsteps. Only the faint crunch of ice inside a helmet, amplified in the silence of space. Radiation from the sun and Saturn's powerful magnetic field adds invisible danger, reminding us that exploration comes at a cost. Every step would demand advanced technology, vigilance, and respect for forces that could end a human life in seconds. Yet it's precisely these extreme conditions that make the scenario so captivating. Now, let's imagine for a moment that humanity had the technology to make it possible. Magnetic boots could tether explorers to icy particles, or force field platforms might stabilize walkways across the rings. In this reality, humans could traverse the glittering ice city, observe tiny moons in the distance, and watch Saturn's storms swirl below. Every step would be a delicate interplay of gravity, speed, and balance, turning the act of walking into an exhilarating cosmic dance. The spectacle would be breathtaking, something no human has ever witnessed firsthand, yet something we can now imagine vividly. Walking on Saturn's rings also offers a humbling cosmic perspective. These frozen shards orbit a giant planet billions of kilometers away, yet we can picture them, dream of team, and understand them through science. It reminds us how fragile life is, how vast the universe is, and how limitless human curiosity can be. Thinking about stepping on these distant rings pushes the mind beyond the familiar and into the realm of pure wonder, where imagination meets possibility. So, what if humans could walk on Saturn's rings? While it remains science fiction today, understanding the physics, gravity, temperature, and sheer beauty of the rings makes the scenario almost tangible in our minds. Perhaps one day, our descendants will truly witness this frozen wonder, stepping where we can only dream. The universe is calling, inviting us to imagine, explore, and marvel at its infinite mysteries.